You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at what is the meaning of this acronym, especially in texting or chats and social media. What does TBH stand for? The meaning is to be honest. To be honest. It's easy to be honest. It can be either positive but also simply negative as well. To be honest. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.